After entering the wrong passcode several times, the iPhone unavailable message appears on the lock screen. If you are faced with the same issue, do not worry. In this video, we will show you how to fix it so you can regain access to your iPhone. Way 1. Unlock iPhone through tap Erase iPhone button on the screen. This is the most convenient way for you to fix iPhone unavailable issue, which requires your iPhone is running iOS 15.2 or later. You can erase the device from the lock screen by clicking the Erase iPhone button, and input the Apple ID to complete the steps. Way 2. Unlock an unavailable iPhone through recovery mode. Put your iPhone in recovery mode, connect your iPhone to computer and run iTunes. After iTunes detects iPhone and shows a message that there is a problem, press on the restore option to restore iPhone, and then confirm it. After that, your iPhone is come back to the factory setting. Way 3. Using Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker to fix iPhone unavailable issue. Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker is professional iOS unlocking software, which able to unlock iPhone, iPad and iPod touchscreen safely without using Apple ID or passcode. Moreover, it helps you remove Apple ID, bypass and DM and screen time passcode without data loss. Now let me show you how to fix iPhone unavailable issue with Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker. After downloading and installing Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker from the official website, launch it and connect the locked iPhone to the PC. Put your iPhone into DFU mode, select the Unlock iOS screen option, and click the Start button to continue. Click Download button, and it start to download and verify the firmware package. After that, click Unlock button, and confirm it. Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker will unzip the firmware package, and unlock iPhone. After a few minutes, the unlock will complete. Way 4. Unlock an unavailable iPhone through Find iPhone. Enter in iCloud.com, and sign in it with your Apple ID. Then choose Find iPhone feature. After that, select the iPhone you want to unlock. Click the Erase iPhone button. Factory reset your iPhone.